Right, taking a know what that plane was, but obviously that was definitely the Piper PA-28 or something like, but I can't remember what range that is though. But I'll probably have a look on Plane Finder to see if it's on there. Nope. However, as if to me that was the unknown plane I've just seen apparently. That was the unknown plane I've just seen coming apparently, which I've just heard it apparently. So I've just heard a plane coming in though. Where is he? It's definitely not on Flight 24 though, but it looks like I've got a feeling though that plane isn't on one of the Plane Finder apps though, but I can't tell what range that was though, but I can't obviously tell what the registration was though, but I'm sure that was a Piper PA-28 I've just saw apparently, but obviously that's not on one of the plane tracking apps apparently, so I'm not sure what plane that was to be fair, but at least I might have a look though to see what registration that was though. So yeah, I think that was definitely a Piper PA-28. I think I've just seen apparently. It might have been Piper PA-28-140 maybe. I don't know. It might be that one I suppose, but I don't know. But it looks like it was a Piper PA-28-140 that was, but I can't tell what registration that was though. At least I'll probably have a look or something anyway. But it's not on one of the plane tracking apps anyway. It's obviously not on there to be fair, which is very strange, but strange is not actually on there, but anyway. But I will probably have a look to see if it pops up on one of the plane apps anyway. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.